Hi people, if you are really worried about how can I send a professionally well-formatted mail to my client which has some codes, mathematical equations, tables and paragraph etc. Or if you are thinking to impress your boss or project manager with beautiful code snippet in mail, then you are in the right place. Let's go and see how to send a well-formatted code in your Gmail or any of your mail. You will require only two things: a popular browser like Chrome or Firefox, a little knowledge of markup language called Markdown. Markdown has plain text formatting syntax which can be converted to HTML. But don't worry, if you don't know the Markdown language, just Google it out as Markdown syntax and you will get tons of resources. Here we are using a simple browser extension in case of Chrome or an add-on in Firefox called Markdown here, which is developed by Adam Pritchard. Markdown here is an extension for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, Thunderbird client and Postbox. With it, you can write email in Markdown and then just click a single button to render email into good looking, fully formatted text that is truly technically speaking an HTML page. Markdown here also supports syntax highlighting for code blocks using highlight.js and also a mathematical equation using mathjax.js. Now let's see how to use it. Go to your Chrome extension page and search for Markdown here. Choose which is created by an author called Adam Pritchard and install it. Now go to your Gmail or any mail client, open Compose tab and write down your messages. Here we will imagine that I am a student and writing a mail to my teacher. I already wrote my message. Now I will just copy and paste it out. Here it is. Hi sir, I started learning to program from past 7 days. Please find below code snippets for each languages which is developed by myself. Please send me an opinion on this. There is the code section, a JavaScript which prints hello world in JavaScript, C code which prints lambda like shape using stars, a Python function which finds the leap years, a table defining the project priority, and in the end a Thanksgiving line saying thank you, your student XYZ or ABC. This is just a plain text which is not easily readable and good looking. So first we will format it with Markdown syntax. Let's begin. First we will make this code as block codes. Then we will put JavaScript code into a code block. To give this code a syntax highlighting effect as per the required language, we will add a text with JavaScript after these 3 dashes. We will do the same process for C and Python code also. We will make bold text for table title. After this, right click in the blank area and choose Markdown toggle. See the full message. If this looks good, then add a subject and a recipient email ID and send it. This will send as it is, which you are seeing with your eyes. And that's it guys. Please check below description for any updated links or steps, and thanks for watching. Till then, stay motivated. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.